Hello, my friends. I'm Imrata. Today, I want to show you how you create account on BitGet exchange, futures account or spot account, and how to use BitGet referral code. Uh, it's so easy. You enter futuristreferralcode.com or exchangereferrals.com and find BitGet on menu. In the BitGet page, you will learn everything about futurist trade on BitGet or spot trade on BitGet. It's so easy. You will get all information on this page. You should click this account I want to show you. Now we clicked. This is a welcome screen. You saw you need fill form, email, set password, and your referral code must be here. If you see this area empty, you will write with your own hand and click OK and create account. Just this. After we created account and what we can do now, we need KYC approval. In 30 seconds with your mobile phone, you can complete this so easy. And after you're ready on trade. Now how we can trade in BitGet. Click market and click again markets. For example, BTC, USDT, and Bitcoin and Tether. Okay. I tell you firstly, we need deposit money, USA dollar or your own currency. Click here, click buy firstly, click here, for example, 1000 USA dollars, and click buy. Now, when you log in, you will see here buy or sell. For sell, click sell. For example, we have 0.5 Bitcoin and click sell. So easy. If you need more information, you should visit futuristreferralcode.com or exchangereferralcodes.com. It's so easy. You will see in your article about other exchange or other trade styles. Thanks for your time. See you next video.